What's that? Apa itu? Nice.
Pani kenapa di YouTube? Yeah.
Yeah.
You have channel YouTube?
Yes.
Yeah. Oh,
We're
nice.
gonna be on YouTube tomorrow. Are you happy?
Yeah.
Hello.
Hi, how are you?
Good. How are you? Can I have a hot cappuccino, please?
One hot cappuccino.
Yes. And chocolate ball?
Chocolate bowl.
Yes. It's nice? Yeah. Thank you.
Let you down, and I know that I was not always around. I made you feel alone. You spent most of your nights just sitting on your own. I should have done so much more, like giving you the things you asked me for. And I know I was wrong. It's what I try to tell you with my song. Tell you with my song.
Yo, what's up? Today I'm in Sanur and I'm sitting in Luhtu Cafe. Few of you guys asked me if I can go to Luhtu and have a coffee there. Of course I can have a coffee, already ordered. I forgot your names, guys. That was a few of you people. I'm so sorry, but I hope so you appreciate, and I appreciate as you ask me for doing this. This is the Luhtu Cafe, and this is coming my chocolate ball. Thank you so much. I'm waiting for my cappuccino. Chocolate ball already arrived. And today's vlog will be about, yeah, obviously the intro from the Luhtu Cafe in Sanur, and then I will heading into the Hyatt direction on the beach, and we will see how is the situation today in Sanur. At the moment in Luhtu is quite, well, I'm not gonna say it's busy, but it's not so bad. It's like about 12 people including me, and behind me next door is the restaurant. Unfortunately it's bankruptcy and is for sale. The asking price is 1.7 billion rupiah, which is 170,000 Australian dollars, about 130 American dollars, which is quite expensive. However, who knows, maybe you will be interested, but it's expensive anyway. Probably negotiable for my kids. We will see how's the crack today in Sanur. Coffee is great. By the way, this is like extra large cappuccino. It's like at least double size of regular one. Really nice. And chocolate ball. I took it because the name is funny and I like chocolate anyway. Very nice. Staff is friendly as always. People are still coming and coming. It's actually about 15 people right now. Yeah, I sit a little bit at the back, but at the front. Okay, I'll enjoy my cappuccino. Show you a few more shots and I will have a walk.
What if I said I'm sorry? What if I'd make a scene? Wouldn't that make you mine again? You're all I'll ever need. Didn't I make you laugh? Didn't I make you smile? Didn't I make you feel like you were happy for a while? I know that I've done so many things that let you down, but I hope that you give me one more chance to make you mine. When I close my eyes, you know that you're the only thing I see, and it makes me cry to think that you are no longer with me.
just after my coffee at Luhtu. It was so big, so nice. But this chocolate ball was very small, but I got so easily so full. I don't know what was it actually inside of it, but it was so full very easily. Yeah, as you can see, the situation over here is definitely much better, much more optimistic than last time. It's quite busy actually over here now. Yeah, what should I say? Very good, very good. I'm so happy with that, and we will see more further.
What if I said I'm sorry? What if I make a scene? Wouldn't that make you mine again? All I ever need. Didn't I make you laugh? Didn't I make you smile? Didn't I make you feel like you were happy for a while? I know that I've done so many things that let you down, but I hope that you give me one more chance to make you mine.
As you can see, it's quite many people on the beach, mostly local people obviously, but yeah, when I was last time, it was like really completely nobody, but now it's quite a lot of people, at least in the Sindu area. On the path over here, well, at the moment it's quiet, but in general, as you saw before, was quite many cyclists. By the way, now is the very new trend in Bali of the cycling, so yeah, that's mostly because of the traffic is not so busy and people sitting at home so much time, so they decide to do the cycling, I mean. And here we go behind me again. Yeah, that's cool vibe.
What if I said I'm sorry? What if I said I'm sorry? What if I said I'm sorry? What if I said I'm sorry?
Fortunately, passing the Sanur Beach Club, and it's the live band and nobody there again. Actually, so on the beach is also empty. Mostly that's because of the local people just sitting on the beach. However, yeah, and that's how it looks. I feel a little bit sorry to them actually. Maybe I should have a bintang them, but I'm so full. Yeah, but that's how it looks. The crack over here. Yo, what's up? Yeah. The Sanur Beach Club, exactly over here is the seven Las. That's gonna be a beach club and private villas. I'm not sure who is the development, however they start construction like before the scrap starts, or maybe actually when already the scrap was on, not sure, but I see a big progress under the over the wall. Maybe I will show you. I hope so, will be no problem.
What if I said I'm sorry? What if I make a scene? Wouldn't that make you mine again? All I ever need. Didn't I make you laugh? Didn't I make you smile? Didn't I make you feel like you were happy for a while? What if I said I'm sorry? What if I make a scene? Wouldn't that make you mine again? All I ever need. Didn't I make you laugh? Didn't I make you smile? Didn't I make you feel like you were happy for a while?
It's very low tide, as you can see. However, I think Sanur is actually more nice, friendly when it's low tide, because many people can enjoy the low tide and swim and enjoy the time in the water. However, I think if I'm gonna go by walk now to Hayat, I think not much is on the way, because I can see already just few meters outside the Sindu already is nothing is happening there, so I don't want to make like a sequel of the vlog what I make last time about the Sanur is so empty. I think I will just take my bike and I'm gonna go into Hayat, just direction Lila Pantai, straight forward. And why is it so dark? See you there. Alright, I just arrived to the beach next to the Bali Sanur. I forgot the name of the beach, however is the small gang, small street, and on the street is also other hotel on opposite way. However this hotel is closed and under renovation. I forgot the name, shame on me, sorry, but you know probably. Happy people, quite a lot of local people over here, kite surfer over there, cyclists behind me, definitely much more life. And I decided I will walk from here into the Hyatt direction right now.
Say it again, just get it in the open. Say it again, 'cause I can't take it all. Oh, I know it takes a man, it takes a mile, it takes a minute. Say it again, I'm laying it on the table. No label, I got this right. I'm alive, walking on water. I'm crossing over in the night, walking on water. I'm born a soldier, baby.
Yeah, this part of beach is quite alive, as you can see, and on this side is the Bali Sanur. And yeah, it's open. Hello! Yo, what's up? Bali Sanur is open, however is under the renovation, construction over there, however it's open. That's what I know. And I'm just heading into the Hyatt direction. We will see how is the situation over the station.
Finally, I'm over you. I want it out, I want it all behind me. You're all about the things I never did, and I know we gave it a try, gave it a go, gave it a reason.
Yeah, this is the steel Hyatt fence. Part of the Hyatt, half of the Hyatt is already done, is completed. It's beautiful. Enjoying Bali. And yeah, the second half is still under the construction. However, they work every single day during the closure, lockdown and everything. They never actually stopped working, so probably whenever you're gonna come to Bali will be already finished. Very nice, by the way. I'm heading into more into the Hyatt where it's open and the beaches and bars over there. We'll see, but definitely is much more people today than last time. Very nice vibes, everyone is friendly. Like always, like I said, Sanur is really cool place to stay. Nice dogs.
Thanks, mate. Beach dogs.
Beach dogs. I like it.
Yeah.
Take care.
You too.
And this fella with two lovely husky dogs is every day actually in Sanur, I think. The dogs are so huge. I don't know if you can imagine, because I always know as the camera look a little bit different than in real, but they are huge. Yeah, but nice vibes. And this is a Hyatt already here. His fence no longer is, I think this part is, no, it's still under construction. I mean, inside the rooms are empty, I can see that. However, and the other wing is already open. Yeah. Yeah, good vibes. Oh, so many dogs over here.
Oh, here's a little story for you. Let's sit right down and talk it through. You found a little love and give it back again. Is it supposed to be this hard? 'Cause you're tired of sitting here on your own. Yeah, you're tired of the feeling that you need someone. You found your peace no matter where you are.
By the way guys, I'm thinking about the length of the vlogs. How long would you prefer to be a vlogs of me, of us, our vlogs? For me personally, the best time is between 18 and 22 minutes, and as you see, I'm trying to make a vlogs of the length like this one. However, if you like to longer vlogs or maybe shorter, like up to 30 minutes or maybe maximum of 10-12 minutes, let me know. Maybe I can do something with that. It's mostly about you. Hello. More is about you, not about me. I'm flexible, but for me personally, I like the vlogs between 18 and 22. Let me know, comment below. And this is Hyatt, by the way, already open. Actually, the pool is refurbished after the refurbishment. I don't know why, but it's very nice. I make a vlog actually when Winny used to learn speak Polish in this pool in Hyatt. You can find on my channel one of the first videos.
But you still get burned. Do you ever look up in the sky sometimes, wondering where you are, wishing you could be right here? Do you ever want to start all over again? You find happiness out there.
Yo, what's up?
It was pizzeria and Hyatt, very nice restaurant by the way. They have a lovely pizza, a little bit pricey, but very nice vibe. But today is very windy. If you sit there for longer than 1 hour, you feel really cold. I know it sounds ridiculous, but you can feel cold in Bali as well. Actually, when I walk, it's super hot, but if you're gonna sit and just enjoy your drink and pizza or whatever, definitely you will feel hot. And from the other side is the famous La Playa. Actually, La Playa is full of people. I will show you.
Oh, don't you let your heart grow cold, waiting in line for something that you know. Oh, you try to find someone new. Every time your dreams been put on hold, the story of a life starts to unfold. Many lessons learned, but you still get burned.
Alright guys, I think we're finishing this vlog shortly because it's already going to be dark. It's already after 6. Winnie is finishing job soon. No, not yet, but soon. In next 10 minutes I would like to pick her up, heading home after that. Let me know what do you think about today's vlog of Sanur. Do you like today's update and general vlog from Sanur, or maybe don't like? If you don't like, tell me what you don't like. In general, just comment and press the like button, because it very helps for the algorithm of YouTube, and thanks to that we will grow up faster. At least I just read like this. Still not confirmed. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. Like always, don't forget to share, comment, like, subscribe. If you subscribe, press the bell button so you will get notified whenever we upload the new vlog. However, new vlog is every day, every single day at 7 p.m. Bali time GMT +8, so it's about 7 o'clock in Southeast Asia, Australia. In Australia from 7 till 10 p.m. and in Europe it's about 11, 12, 1 o'clock daytime. In America obviously 7 a.m. up to 5 a.m. And yeah, see you tomorrow guys, something new like always. See ya, take care.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. What if I said I'm sorry? What if I said I'm sorry?